Yeah.
Time, yeah, man.
Oh, no, still long, man. May I know say the pile them. Yeah.
Yeah, traffic big out.
Yeah. Oh. Yes, my wonderful people. Back on channel again. Today is Tuesday, 22nd day of July, 2025. In the update today is all about the bridge in Morant that Nakash Construction and Equipment Limited are building out here. I want to get closer to the work and show you guys. So remember to like, share, don't only watch the video. Subscribe to the movement, share the content them. Yes, my viewers and my subscribers, see the pile them gone further down in the soil. I'm going to work on the next side now. I put in the beam them now. I'm going to put the beam them across the river. Daddy, yo. Give me a beam. You know, we're not the hurricane season, we're not the weather season. We take time put in the work, understand? And now wait till the rain cave in upon them before we start putting the work. You've been up.
Dry to you. Bring it back now. Should be wrong to me. Wallet, that's a wallet, now make it back. Go around with that, go around. Come close to the back now. You hear the beam? Yeah. Come down. Come on, that's so high. You know what I'm behind, man, I'm about to be back ready.
Yes, Nakash Construction and Equipment Limited. I take time, fit up a bridge. I put in the work. The boss over there. I don't really know how far them drive the pylon. If I ask them how far the pylon reach. crane and take out the beam them one by one. So yes guys, the pile and reach further down in the soil. Daddy, how far them they go? The pile them. How far them drive go? On the soil? Yeah. Yeah, the iron them. And my rush to that, eh? The man come up back? Ah. Them there? Yeah. The man dig up back? Oh. A different pile of rain? Oh. Oh, try to dig up back. Oh. Yeah guys, the pile mark come up back and the beam the more is are going there automatically. Yeah, you understand? So it might well up. I will apart to put the beam them pan. The rest of the beam pan out here. So the company name, Nakash Construction and Equipment Limited. Them are deal the bridge out here in Port Morant. You know, say them type of work are kind of technical, you know. Them type of work you have to work with caution. You understand? Them type of work you have to use your brain. Them type of work you have to listen. And them type of work you have to stay good. You got me? a whole heap of iron out here, you know, or some heavy duty iron out here, you know. You can understand? And you have to have one of safety gears.
Yeah, boy, nearly something gone out, so. Gone down to the bridge. I saw it down here. Yo, pick up little bit. Down to you. Yeah. Sing it, push it back to me. Pick up a little more. Yeah. Yeah, right now. God have mercy. Who you picking up back again? Push to me, Rocky. I'll carry it to the end of something. Do I still? Yeah. You don't go to your enemy. Swing it from a little bit to me then, man. Yo! Swing so, little bit. You want to come out now? Pull me up little for me. One touch for the boot. One touch. Alright. Come on, little. Alright. Come to me now, Rocky. Yeah. I'm well off my state. What for your seat on a trip? Yeah, answer that one then. You want to come out, so? No, no, no. Boy, just drive there. Hey, pull up the great man some more, man. Pull him up some more. Alright. Oh, you stay now? You can't let me stay a long time, you know. Step back to you, man. Now make it pass. You alright there, son? You can't live right there, son. Sit it down. Here, blah. One inch man from here. But this is still on a straight, you know. If it is straight to the right hand side. So you're so good.
Yeah? Ready?
Yeah man, them challenge there, you know. Happy make the first starting to drive down.
Oh.
Because the tip them I put on the bus.
Oh.
In the rock and meet up on.
Oh, you tip them that?
Yeah man.
Oh. Yes guys, I put on tip them. So the man drive them down on the side. It bust.
When they reach any rock.
In the reach and the rock them, it bust them.
bust them right through and go down.
Oh. So the pile them now, when they put this up for? The pile?
Yeah, man. That's at the end of the banking.
Not here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, guys. The pile when they put up in the meantime, at the end of the banking, not tear.
Tear and destroy, they restructure that.
Yeah.
At the bridge.
At the bridge. So I thought I might take them out and put in the beam, them one I put here.
They're not take out back.
What's on the pile? They're not to go back.
No, man.
Oh, alright, they're not to go back.
They're not driving differently.
Oh.
This is the route of the bridge.
Oh.
That's the protection.
I protection on the banking.
Because you come out with tear to it.
Yeah. Oh, you hear that, guys?
So when the water reach on the side,
I buck up on the
yeah, man, it just go through.
Oh, yeah. Oh, not to the banking.
No.
Oh, I understand.
The protection.
I production for the soil. The pile my production for the soil.
Yeah.
So when the water come through, tear the banking, just pass through the iron. Get me? And go through.
You have to save the route of the bridges.
Oh yeah, because the route more important, much more important. Yeah.
Then thing I drive down far till you reach water.
I know, man.
You reach water in the earth.
How far you think they go?
Yeah, man, it's all depends, man. See the thing over there, so?
Oh,
the striker that.
Yeah, striker, yeah, see striker.
It's the weight height at 6 tons.
Yeah, see striker over there, so the weight height at 6 tons, guys. Yeah.
When they strike the iron them.
Yeah.
When they meet up and loose dirt and go down.
Yeah.
We have to add to it. Add one little angler into it and well it on.
Oh.
And then strike it down again.
Yeah.
The first bridge up this out, they'll put all 4 iron. That means you reach water and reach back land.
Yeah. How much ton you say the striker?
6 tons.
Alright. I'll show you a striker, guys. I'm going to use this big iron here, the striker. It weighs 6 tons. You know, so it's a whole heap of ton that. So it's a beat on a beam them way down to the water surface. Yes, the beam them. Yeah, the welder give me a look update of what taking place out here. Yeah.
So the time you put on the tip them,
yeah.
They have more tip to put on.
Oh.
Because the 2 sides, you know,
yeah.
have at least say 10 and 10.
Oh,
that's 20.
20, yeah. Balance it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The root of the foundation of the bridge.
Of a trunk.
Yeah.
Of a sturdy.
Yeah, man.
That means
so when you hear say a bridge get leaked, I know them.
Oh, and them.
No, man, because you can't hurt them.
Let me say.
At the surface, at the bridge.
Alright. The bridge out is so. Alright. The bridge out is so lose it. It lose it.
Yeah.
It a move.
Yeah.
Come see it a move.
Yeah, man. That means at the surface, not right.
Oh. You know, for my service, not right.
In service, not right.
Me observe it and see that it a move.
Yeah, man. And it shouldn't make so.
Oh.
It shouldn't make no farmer uphill and good up.
No.
Because if a man a shot.
You don't see.
A crash.
Yeah, my crash, my crash for true.
Yeah, man, that vehicle come from the way there.
Yeah, a true, man.
Yeah.
I said nobody can shot. No, take time to come over the bridge.
Take the time.
Yeah.
They put up now slow.
No, man.
Slow side.
The man understand say it's a corner, the bridge is a corner bridge.
They should have put the side because you have some mad band and drive.
Same way.
Everybody use their wisdom.
A true, man. Yeah, man, I like what I go on, I like the progress what I go on out here. You understand? Because the 90-year-old bridge, we're gone. It is much smaller, you know.
Yeah?
The first bridge was 90-year-old.
Yeah?
So it's gone. So it is much smaller. So we need.
Smaller than this?
No, it's much smaller. Okay. So I expect a bridge will be a bigger, wider bridge and a bigger bridge.
It's supposed to.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
They are widen the road.
Yeah.
So the bridge is supposed to.
Wide.
Wide too.
Yeah, so it's supposed to be better than the first one.
They'll do so well in that.
Yeah, go and do well. Yeah, I take it. Yes, guys, I do some welding. Well, we keep them. Just take time, we'll tip them. Yeah, take time, we'll on the tip them.
Yeah, man. They call me Welder Richie.
Oh, Welder Richie, yeah.
Welder, or they call me Richie. Panzer.
Can't look for number, you know. You can't look for number.
Yes, sir.
You can phone number for them something, man.
Yes, sir.
You can't look for phone number for them something.
Yeah, man. 883. 883 60.
Oh, yeah, guys. 883
Professional welder.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, 883 16 18.
Yeah.
Yeah. Miller, big party diesel. Every machine my use.
Where did this happen?
YouTube. YouTube video. That the YouTube make content put up on YouTube, like anything great, road work. Yeah. So the man see this on YouTube. Everybody else see it on YouTube. Yeah. Yes guys, that is it for today. That come to the ending of the video. Respect here. Yeah. It's a come to the ending of the video. Nakash Construction and Equipment Limited are putting the work out here at the bridge. Check still have prepare some more part of the road out here. It's not all of the road asphalt one time, you know. Yeah. So as I was saying, to come to the ending of the video for today. Yeah, just share up the content them. Just share the content them, watch the video them, support the movement. You know, our Ryanrich road vlog is out here on the gravel.